I'm very excited, and I think it's very unusual. There have been a lot of different fests, but I think this one's going to be really a class apart because they're kind of bringing back, uh, seven different, uh, you know, islands that they're building. I just think that it's going to be a really fun place to go to, and it's a 3-day fest. And when I read the list of things that they have in it, it's just unbelievable. I don't know how you guys are going to achieve so much. Everything from entertainment to street food to like a cow gully and fashion and Bollywood and
Music.
What else?
Music, you
Music,
have art,
like you think of it and it's there. So I just think that it's innovative in that sense, and
Social cause.
yeah, and there's a social cause attached to it. So I think it's really wonderful.
Shilpa, how would you be also involving yourselves?
Today I'm involved.
That's a nice.
बहुत सी चीजें हैं जैसे आपने कहा कि entertainment से related भी there are singing है, dancing है, social cause है,
Comfortable.
other things also. Something related to health also or anything.
Yes, Shilpa.
Yes, but they still haven't told me how they want me to be involved in that capacity. But today, I think most importantly, I think for people to know that there's something like this that's coming up. I'm here to play a catalyst in that, and I really hope that the news goes out, and I think it's wonderful, and you must encourage it.
Avinash, what have you to say about this?
I mean,
Shilpa is definitely. What was the reason to bring her on platform?
अच्छा ये भी अभी बोलना पड़ेगा
Reasons he has told you.
हाँ बोलिए
Reasons he has told you.
she rightly said, it's all about Mumbai. As we see it, there's a Mumbai in me, right? That's what we can see, the Mumbai in her. It's all about Mumbai. That's how it's going to constitute, the Mumbai festival, the Mumbai fest. And we all here for a cause, for a reason, to take the name of Mumbai across the globe. And we'd like to invite you on 28th, 29th and 30th of December in MMRDA ground for the Mumbai Fest. Thank you.
इसका मुंबई फेस्ट के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है
People are very united. Like whenever there are these kind of occasions, जैसे marathon होता है, there are also
जी.
other things. How is the spirit of Mumbai to be seen?
Totally. See, I just think that when you have something like this, and the Mumbai Fest especially, I think it's just kind of reminiscent of the ethos that Mumbai stands for, the heritage of Mumbai, the spirit of Mumbai, and it's kind of all encompassing. So, in what capacity I'm here, I just think that when I think of Mumbai, it's home to me and it brings me
Yes.
happiness. And that's exactly what the Mumbai Fest is going to do. And I'm pretty reminiscent of also happiness. So, yeah, that's the connect.
शिल्पा जी आप कुछ जैसे आप तो बहुत जगह जो आप there as a guest and you see lots of things. कुछ आप कुछ चीज incorporate करना चाहोगे कि this thing should be there when there are lots of people coming.
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मैंने सोचा कि मैं लिस्ट देखूंगी और फिर मैं कुछ सजेस्ट करूंगी, लेकिन कुछ सजेस्ट करने के लिए there was no scope because they've incorporated everything and they're doing it on such a large scale. And literally 3 lakh square feet is going to be taken up, and 7 different islands of different things are going to be put up. So it's going to be a real 3 great days of enjoyment, entertainment, and satiation. Yeah, of your taste buds. Yeah, it's a really difficult word. Yeah.
I'm glad you said my name.
Yeah, satiation. Yeah.
Anything, do you feel there's a lot of cultural exchange also, like through
I think, Captain, would you like to
2,000
elucidate?
artists are performing.
Yeah,
You say it.
Well,
Even more.
in the cultural aspect, I think so. We got nearly 2,000 artists performing of every genre. Because Mumbai has a culture where everything resides, from classical to contemporary to everything is there. So when you will come to the fest, you will see the folk dances of India, which you have never seen it before. You're going to see classical, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Odissi, Kathakali, all the classical forms, all the folk dance forms, all the contemporary dance forms. And you're going to see some beautiful bands performing. You're going to see Drum Cafe making Guinness Book of World Record history, where 2,100 drums are going to be played. And we're going to go into the Guinness Book of World Record by drumming together. And drumming for Swachh Bharat, drumming for Cleaner Mumbai, We're drumming for hunger-free Mumbai. We're drumming for making it in such a way that the Mumbai Fest becomes the festival for people to remember and to look forward to coming every December for the fest. And this festival is not going to just be for India, it's going to also travel globally.
Thank you.